In a quiet little village, Rumi's father owned a tea shop. But one day, he fell sick. The shop was closed. But guess what? Their pet Myna bird, named Tunni, used to sit on the bench outside the shop every day. When villagers passed by, Tunni would call out, "Do you want tea? Tea time!" People thought it was a joke, but Tunni had learned how to make tea from Rumi. One day, the bird poured hot water, added tea leaves, and even served a customer a full cup of tea. News spread across the village. A bird is running a tea shop. Unbelievable but true. Tunni managed the tea shop while Rumi's dad recovered. If a bird can take responsibility like a human, why can't we?